So carbon cleaning is preventative maintenance in most cases. So if you've got vehicles coming in for tyres, wheel alignment, service, any other service that you provide, you can offer them a carbon clean. Our engine carbon cleaning machines are the best in class because we use new technology, which is wet cell technology. Most other machines out in the world use dry cell technology, which it can be very expensive for maintenance. It needs to be drained and refilled on a monthly basis, where our machines can be serviced annually, which obviously is a big plus point, and it's very much more efficient than a dry cell technology machine. We have a big network of tuning companies, mobile tuning companies around the UK that are using our engine carbon cleaning machines. They do it alongside the tuning. So if you're looking for better fuel efficiency, more performance from a tune, it's always beneficial to have an engine clean at the same time. So this is a very high in demand service for tuning companies and any mobile mechanics.